In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up YouTube cards. Those are those little white rectangles that bounce out of that little white eye in your top right of your screen. And make sure you check the description for the tips, and also I'll be answering your questions in the comments. Welcome to Video Up. My name is Dane Golden, and if you're a marketer or a business owner and you want to up your game on YouTube for Business and transform your viewers into loyal customers, well, then you should subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and make sure you stick around for the end for the bonus tip. Here's the steps for setting up your YouTube cards. Step 1, click on the details page of a video, and that's the little pencil icon. Step 2, scroll to the bottom right and click on Cards. Step 3, note the features on the cards dashboard. The card you're editing will be a blue bookmark on the timeline, but the cards you're not editing will all be gray. To select an already present bookmark you want to customize, you just click the bookmark in the timeline, and then it will appear up in the top left and you can edit it. And to find where the card will pop up exactly, you go to that pointiest little part of the bookmark. And sometimes you can't see exactly what that moment is, so you can use this magnifying glass here, these zoom in, zoom out magnifying glasses, to get that exact frame where that video will show up. And you can adjust it frame by frame in the timeline by dragging the bookmark, or you can go to the box up here and get the exact frame. This is minutes, seconds, and frames. You have undo and redo buttons, so you can undo that change or redo that change. And you have a button here that skips you back 10 seconds or forward 10 seconds. And pay special attention here, because anytime you save, it's going to essentially close the cards window. It's an X out. Also, discarding changes, that closes without making any changes since the last time you've hit save. So if you come back to the cards environment just to check on something, the only way to get out of it is to discard changes. You can't click somewhere else. There's no X out. You just discard changes. To add a video card, you go to the top and click the plus sign, or you can click on the plus sign by the blue eye in the bottom left and open that. That will get you a video as well. And you can select one of the videos that's visible, or you can search for one. Or you can add a URL. You can also add a URL for any video on YouTube. Or you can just search YouTube for any video. Once you've added the video, you can select a custom message that's optional, and that will appear in the default mode here. Also, there's an optional teaser text, and that will appear in place of the title of the video. So I could type in "Be consistent on YouTube." And it can only be up to 30 characters. The title can be longer than 30 characters, so often I just stick with that. But you can add it here, and you can put a different one. Be really consistent. Again, only 30 characters max. So here you can see the teaser text shows "Be really consistent," but here it says "Be consistent on YouTube," which is from the custom message. That's sort of a header for this video. It shows this custom message, the thumbnail, and the title of the video. And when we add more thumbnails, you'll just be able to scroll down at any time. Then you just drag the bookmark to where you want it to be, where you want it to pop up, And you can play this and you can see, watch how it will pop up. Ta-da, it did it. And it'll last for 7 seconds and then it will just go away as if it never was there, but you can still click on it at any time. Anyone can. To finish up, click save, and remember this will close. You can come back to it. Now here's your bonus tip. I like to add a YouTube card that is the same as what I'm going to be focusing on getting people to click on in the end screen, and I like to put it about 10 to 15 seconds before the end screen, way down here. So if they've gotten bored and they were thinking of clicking away, I've already got them to click on that video. And check out this next video where I'm going to show you how to get more clickable thumbnails. My name is Dane Golden from VideoUp, and I'm challenging you to work on upping your game on YouTube for Business and transform your viewers into loyal customers. So click that next video. I'll see you there.